What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are finally taking the TSX on its first beach trip. However, this car has 200,000 miles on it, and if you guys own a higher mileage car, you know they usually burn or leak a little bit of oil. So what we're gonna do before we head out is we're actually gonna throw a little bit of oil in the TSX, and I know a lot of you guys are newer car guys who watch the channel, so if this is a review for you, I apologize, but I'm gonna show you guys quickly how to just add a little bit of oil to an older motor, or any motor that needs oil. Alright guys, so all we're gonna need for this little project here is our funnel in case we need a little bit of oil. We got our oil here. I just got a big jug because this thing always needs some, and a couple papes as well. So first what we're gonna do, let's pull the dipstick out here. My car is on an incline, so it reads a little bit low. And then I'm gonna show you guys here on the camera. Hopefully that focuses up well. There's two dots. As you guys can see, the oil level is a little closer to the lower of the two dots, so this thing could take just a little bit of oil. Now, what you want to do is you want to add this oil, especially if you don't know your engine well, in very small amounts, because you don't want to overfill your engine with too much motor oil. So, honestly, I could probably drive just fine with the amount of oil that's in here, but what I'm gonna do is just throw some in here so you guys can see. So take your oil cap off, maybe give it a wipe so it doesn't get oil all over your valve cover. Mine's pretty gross anyway, so whatever. Toss your funnel in here unless you're Jimmy Oaks, and we're just gonna throw a small amount of oil in here. Not too much. Better too little than too much. Check the dipstick one more time, let it settle for a second. And as you guys can see, we came up just a little bit. We'll throw some more in there as well. Just a little more. Try that. Oh, can't even hit the funnel. Pull this back out. Now we're about 3/4 of the way up. That's about where I like to sit, so that is good. We're gonna wipe it off one more time. Throw it back on in there. Funnel's all set. Now, this seems to be the year of the loose oil caps, boys, so let's make sure that this thing's on here nice and snug. And honestly, just for the sake of it, because I've seen so many loose oil caps, I give it a pretty good crank, just to make sure she's on there. Now the car's full of oil, ready to go to the beach. Now, is it wise to drive this thing an hour away to the beach with an improper alignment? Probably not. It's definitely gonna chew up the tires, but hey, you gotta live your life. I don't wanna get it aligned until I have all my parts in here anyway, because it's just gonna need more alignment, so let's hit the road. Also, I need some hats. This thing's gross.
Hi, may I help you?
Hi, can I do a large iced French vanilla, please? 2 and 2? All right, guys, you know we gotta start our beach trip with a little bit of breakfast. We are also picking up my neighbor. Her name's Alex. I think you guys are gonna love her. We're gonna spend the day with her heading up to the beach today. So first things first, I'm gonna eat this sandwich. What exhaust is on this NVIDIA, right? You should let the boys hear it before you. It sounds great, dude. I don't even know. I'm just an old leaky boy.
Grandpa's probably mad angry. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.
See you, dude. Have a good one.
Hello.
What's up? I honestly want to try, maybe we'll do it next spring or summer, going through every single restaurant on this road and trying seafood at all of them. I don't think we'll be able to do it all in a day, but I think that'd be really cool. I personally...
I can do it all in a day.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I like fried seafood a lot, like fried clams and fried scallops and things like that. What's your call usually when you get seafood?
Haddock.
Haddock. Oh, that's right.
Haddock with you.
Am I forgetful? I'm haddock with you? You've haddock with me? Wow. Damn. Look at this, guys. Free parking too? So this was the first of 2 beaches we wanted to check out. It's kind of quiet. Put the TSX somewhere safe. A little Rex here. I love the Subaru hatches, man. Maybe we'll pick one up someday. Plus, Alex loves Subarus.
I do.
Maybe she'd like me more if I had a Subaru.
What? I'm kidding. Just the casual.
Dude, Alex is hijacking this vlog today. She's killing it. Roasting me, bro. Man, well, you guys said you wanted more life things like trips and dunks stops and things like this, so I hope you guys are enjoying the day as much as we are so far. Let's go check out these beaches, man. This is super nice. Boys, I'm that guy. Sneakers on the beach. I never thought I could be so lame. Look at the views out here, though. Al's going swimming. I'm not.
I brought my bathing suit.
I got my shoes on. I could too. I brought shorts, but it's probably like 50 degrees out here, guys, so I'm not going swimming, but Al's gonna take a dip.
You know what? what? If I had my bathing suit on, I definitely would jump in. It's not that bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you just telling me
Like
that?
after the initial shock of this is f***ing cold, it's like, wow.
Alright, I feel like the boys, I feel like they want to see it. Alright, boys. This is the... Carl's a big old baby and he knows the challenge. Why do you just walk out here like it's normal? It's not that bad, it's like die!
How was it?
I'm wet. My whole leg is wet. It went all the way up here. Now I'm a soggy boy.
Oh, he's feisty, this one.
What is it? Oh, it's a crab. Look at him. Oh, let's go.
Look at that.
Oh, that's awesome. Let's go, Al.
Got it.
Nice catch. Nice catch.
I'm the queen of crabs. I'm done with myself.
Can we call him Mr. Crabsty for Mr. Nasty?
Yes.
Mr. Crabsty,
Yes.
dude. Target acquired, baby.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. He fell over.
I think he died.
Later, little guy.
Look at it.
Everybody like and subscribe for Mr. Crabsty. So we just stopped at a beach that was pretty close to the one we were just at. We're gonna have ourselves a little picnic, a little bit of lunch, and check this out. Well, I was gonna tell you guys there was a bunch of surfers. There was more when we just got here, but a couple people surfing around out there. So we're gonna chill out, watch some people surf, and eat some sandwiches.
I'm too awkward to be in a vlog.
You're not too awkward to be in a vlog.
Yes,
Why would you say that? Well, now you're in the vlog.
No,
So-
stop it.
What do you mean?
I'm going home. I'm going.
You gonna drive the TSX home?
Yo,
Go for it.
I'm gonna do it.
She's pretty good on the sim, boys, not gonna lie. I had her on Car X driving manual around West Coast, and she can hang, so she might actually take that thing and go home. I gotta be careful.
Just gonna eat my sandwich.
I'll just zoom in, Harvey.
Put that on the vlog.
I so can.
No. This is it right here, guys. Oh man, I wish I could